My grill's not working, and I needed to grill some chicken for fajitas tonight. I don't want to cook them in the oven because, really? So I decided I was going to take the grate from my grill, weld it all together, and put it over my temporary fire pit that I built like a year and a half ago. So let's do that. This was super impromptu. I built a temporary fire pit a couple of years ago. I'll post a link to that video. And I needed to cook some chicken over it since my grill isn't working. So I took the grates from my broken grill and laying side by side, they come out to about the same width as the fire pit. So I decided to weld them together. Since the grate is ceramic coated, I had to grind off that coating to get down to the metal so I could get a good weld on it, or any weld on it. I did it on the bottom so it would not affect the cooking surface at all. I made sure they were laying flat, and I tried to weld it. Now, I'll tell you right now, and all you welders out there are going to be looking at me thinking, what in the world is he doing? Because I don't know what I'm doing. I've done very little welding in my lifetime, and it's just me learning. This is flux core wire, so there's no gas, and it's kind of messy. It splutters. I don't think that's a word, but I went down both seams, got a good thick bead on there. Hopefully it'll hold and be strong. Now you'll notice I'm in short sleeves with no gloves. I learned that might be a mistake as I have one arm that's pretty sunburned from it at this point. Well, it seemed strong enough, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I should have opened the door because it got pretty smoky in there. I noticed that after I was done. So I just took some bricks, stacked them up on either side of the pit, and put the grate on top of it, just to get it up off the fire a little bit. And I tried to make sure that they were stable enough that it wasn't going to rock and fall over and dump the food into the fire. It held the weight that I needed it to hold, but it wouldn't hold a whole bunch. So if I'm going to make this permanent, I will probably weld some angle iron onto the bottom of that, just to shore it up and make it a little stronger. But it worked pretty well for what I wanted it to do. And we made a picnic out of it on the back porch on a beautiful evening. Thanks for watching. And special thanks to my neighbor's dogs, who sound like that most of the time.